Greetings everyone. In this video, we're going to see the basic overview of tax web page. For that, you need to go e-Građani and log in. So I'm going to change in English. After I log in, this is my profile page. I just add already a tax website shortcut in my homepage, that is Porezna. Here, if you want to search, it means you need to go find service and show all. And if you scroll down means you can find the tax web page, that is Porezna. Here it is. Yeah, you need to click and it will redirect you to the tax web page. Here it is. This is a tax web page. You have to log in. Olas, that means login. Then you have to give your credentials after it's logged in. That's it. This is my home page. This web page is very mandatory for everyone who are living in Croatia. So this web page in the local language, I'm going to translate into English. The tax website has so many information about your tax, pensions and everything. So we're going to cover in this video just basic overview of the tax website only. So I am going to click taxpayer information. This contains basic information of your profile. So you can edit your address, phone number, everything, and it shows what is your current update. Here all it is, you can update it and save it. So this is useful, and you need to know what is your current situation, what is registered in your tax page. That's it. I come to the home page, and the second one is we're going to see how to download your tax card. So first is the just tax information. The second one is tax card. If you click means it shows your YB. Then you have to click tax card inside. If you click means it will show you one PDF. This is your tax card. It has all the information about your tax. This is your tax card. You can download it. I personally recommended that you have to hold all the documents which are related to you. And the next thing we're going to see my JOPPD. This is all about your tax details. So what the employer is paying for you and everything, what is your pension, what is your contribution to the state and everything. This option is about tax refund. So in this option you can submit your tax refund form directly in the online. After you go inside the submission of form, you have lot of forms, and for the tax return you have to submit ZPP DOH. That's it. This is the basic overview about the tax web page. In the following video, we're going to see about the salary slips.